Hello, dear students. Welcome to today's lesson. Dear students, in our previous lesson, we talked about the to be verbs in present tense as, am, and are. We learned how to express the current state and existence of people, objects, and animals in English. Today we are gonna learn how to express the past state or existence of people, objects, and animals. Dear students, the past to be verbs are was and were. These verbs describe past state or existence. For example, I was at home. Look, my friends, this shows my presence in the past. They were happy. This shows their past emotion. So, was and were are used to talk about state and existence in the past. Let's discuss them further. First, was is used with the pronouns I, he, she, and it. It expresses the past state or presence of a single person, object, or animal. For example, I was in the office last Monday. He was excited last Friday. She was in the park yesterday. The animal was sad. Now let's look at the where, which is used with the plural pronouns, dear students. For example, we were in Washington, D.C. last year. You were sick yesterday. They were at the gym. You see, where also shows past state or existence. Dear students, I hope you understood this lesson. If not, watch the video a few more times to understand it well. Now let's move on to the grammar practice section. Filling the blanks with was or were. For example, I was at the market yesterday. And now we have a dialogue. I will read it, so listen carefully and then practice it by yourself after me. A. Hi, where were you yesterday? B. I was at the park. A. Really? Was it fun? B. Yes, it was. I was with my friends. What about Sarah? Was she there too? B. No, she was at home. A. Were you there all day? B. No, we were there from 3 to 6 p.m. A. Sounds great. B. It really was. Now we have some useful vocabulary words with examples. I'll pronounce them and then you should memorize them. Office. I was in the office yesterday. Happy. They were happy after the test. Sad. The cat was sad last night. Sick. You were sick last week. Excited. He was excited about the trip. Park. She was in the park yesterday. Now it is your turn. Repeat the grammar section on your own and make sure to complete your homework. Practice the dialogue several times by yourself and also make sure to memorize the vocabulary. Dear friends, if you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends. Your support helps me continue working sincerely and sharing more useful lessons with you. Dear students, if you would like to take this course in our 1-hour online classes where you will practice live dialogues, get your exercise checked, and receive feedback on your mistakes, and by the end of the course speak English fluently, you can send a message to the email address below for more information and registration. Until next time, bye.